Use a measuring ruler to choose the right model of stapler.
Stainless steel anvil. Cutting knife. Stapler cartridge. Safety cover. Silicone ring. Titanium staples. Cartridge cover. Cartridge cover and cannula. Moving handles. Adjusting knob. Safety lock. Please read all information carefully. Failure to properly follow the instruction may lead to serious surgical consequence. Indications, intended use. The disposable circumcision stapler is intended for the controlled removal of the foreskin of the penis during circumcision. After routine disinfection using local anesthesia, any other effective means of anesthesia, lift the prepuce with hair-maintaining strokes. Turn the adjusting nut counterclockwise to take out the anvil and insert it inside. If necessary, you can lubricate the anvil for smoother insertion. Gently separate the cartridge safety cover and slowly insert the rod of the anvil into the cartridge body. Screw back on the adjusting knob and continue tightening it.
After this step, remove the safety clip.
Firmly hold the handles and keep your hands steady for 10 to 15 seconds. Loosen the adjusting nut and remove the stapler. Wrap the area with dry gauze and properly bind it with an elastic bandage.